How do I share iCloud storage with family? Sharing your iCloud storage is a straightforward process. Here's how to share iCloud storage. Step 1. Launch the Settings application and tap on the Your Name button at the top of your computer screen. Step 2. Scroll down your iPhone screen and tap on the Family Sharing option. You need to have a 2 terabytes or 200 gigabytes storage plan. Step 3. Hit the Add Member button below the Apple ID name. Tap on the Invite People button to send an invitation to a family member. Step 4. To add members of your family to iCloud storage, you have various options. You can use AirDrop Mail or messages to send the invite link to the person so they can easily accept it. Step 5. After they've accepted your sharing request, visit Family Sharing and tap on iCloud Plus in the More to Share category. Here, you can effortlessly identify how much storage your colleagues are using. With that, you can now share your iCloud storage with anyone. You can send an invitation to a single person or up to 5 people. That is how simple it is to share iCloud storage.